Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In this video, I am going to share a very beautiful, classic and unique collection of hand embroidery designs that could be totally designed onto your sleeves. But the inspirational design ideas are totally inspired from one another beautiful pattern of hand embroidery, and that pattern is borderline embroidery designs. These borderline embroidery designs could not only be made onto your sleeve, but you can also design a very beautiful neckline. You can also use an all over embroidery patterns to design your sleeves also. So the creativity and beauty of these beautiful and pretty designs of sleeves embroidery is that you can design them onto your any type of tops, like you can design them onto your jackets, kurti, kameez, jalebia, frocks, onto the sleeves of your blouse, abayas, even onto the sleeves of your maxi, any type of formal, casual, everyday wear. And also you can design your handmade, hand knitted items by making these beautiful patterns of embroidery. So the scope is not only limited to this, the scope is very wide. And one more thing, that borderline embroidery patterns could be used in a number of varieties of ways. But for here, you're seeing that how sleeves embroidery could be done, and your sleeves could be beautified by these. So very simple and easy basic beginner embroidery stitches have been used, and the beauty and creativity of most of my designs is that they could be used for both ways. That is, you can use them for machine embroidery, and at the same time, you can use them for hand embroidery also. Guys, one more request, that please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. If you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can also subscribe from a number of other devices, because with your love and support we have reached at this level, and with your love and support we will continue to grow. So guys, now let's move back towards our content, watch which we were discussing, that how you can design these patterns. The beauty and creativity of this video collection is that with this you are not only going to get amazing and trendy ideas relevant to hand embroidery, but you can also get creative and beautiful ideas relevant to stitching, styling, and designing of your dresses also. So for better practice and getting more closer and beautiful and decent results, I would recommend you to use the exact color combination of threads along with the exact color of the fabric base. So I hope you have liked the ideas and designs of today's video. And if you really like them, then don't forget to like and subscribe in the comment section. Let us know which design you like the most. And now it's time for inspiration. So please be motivated.